Hello there, welcome back to Earth. It is right now we have enhanced risk of severe weather tonight. It's gonna be mostly some scattered to even widespread damaging winds, as well as within a thunderstorm complex. But tomorrow we have another slight risk, and on day 3 we have another slight risk. Looking at this, we have a supercell located just in Colorado right now, 6 miles per hour winds, and I believe penny-sized hail is also possible. Heading further north, we have again a few thunderstorms here. 6 miles per hour winds are possible. And heading to Arizona, we have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings located right here. We have a thunderstorm that seems to be dying out now. Definitely had some downburst winds that you halfway see that outflow boundary leaving the storm. That's probably indicative of a very strong downburst. 6 miles per hour winds and quarter-sized hail is possible. Heading further north, again, we might have another downburst actually, and it actually just expired. And Louisiana, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for Fort Port, and 60 miles per hour winds are possible with that. And heading all the way to Pennsylvania, we have another severe thunderstorm warning located north of Allentown, where Indian Mountain Lake, Sun Valley, Jim Dort, and 60 miles per hour winds are possible with it. So anyways, really, cross portions on Handsworth is pretty quiet right now. The current environment is definitely, when you get into portions of northern Illinois where there's also a slight risk, I wouldn't be really expecting too much. Right now, destabilization has been occurring across portions of Iowa as recovery has been going on because of this morning's thunderstorm complexes that have been really have died out now, and kind of mixed layer Cape values is between 5,000 joules per kilogram and even portions of 1,000 joules per kilogram and further north. Bulk shear values, again, there's really no we're looking at around 40 to 50 knots, really averaging across portions of where we're going to be seeing some initiation later across portions of Nebraska and South Dakota, and then further to the east is we're seeing around 40 to 45 knots. 0 to 6 kilometer, again around 40 to 50 knots. Low level shear is definitely not really too, it's okay across portions of northern Iowa. We're looking at some storm relative felicity values at around 200, even 450 meters cubed per second cubed, and then around 100 to 200 meters cubed per second cubed in 0 to 1 kilometer. 0 to 1 kilometer bulk shear is around 10 to 20 knots, and 0 to 3 kilometer bulk shear is around 25 to 40 knots. So really not bad for setting off a few embedded supercells tonight, and that's why there's probably a 2% tornado probability heading to tonight. So, anyways, we'll be taking a look at the tropic. Okay, I'm back. Right now we're looking at Tropical Storm Ida right now. It's been upgraded to a tropical storm. It was a tropical depression not too long ago. It's expected to continue to make a couple landfalls, probably maybe actually, and make another landfall in Cuba, and then after that it's going to be entering the Gulf of Mexico, and again it's going to be intensifying even further. Maybe some rapid intensification can't be ruled out, and really as it makes landfall it's going to be bringing in some very dangerous storm surge in as well, flooding. The Weather Prediction Center is already forecasting rainfall amounts up to 15 inches of rain is possible with it, and even within still a bit of uncertainty still carries. However, though, confidence on a landfall somewhere in the Gulf Coast seems to be more likely at this time. So anyways, moving on to also other areas of interest. There's another one in the open Atlantic, which has, I believe, 50% chance developing within the next 40 hours, 70% the next 5 days. And another one in the eastern tropical Atlantic in the main development region, really. 60% chance developing the next 40 hours, 70% the next 5 days. Looking at the Eastern Pacific right now, we have tropical depression Nora, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Nora, yes. Right now, it's looking to be it's looking to strengthen into a hurricane. Hurricane watches have been issued across portions of the Mexican coast. Hurricane conditions can't be ruled out. Tropical storm warnings have also been issued across portions of the Mexican coast. And right now, cone has been trending eastward. And the cone, really within the next 4 to 5 days, has landfall in Baja California. This is due to change, really, though. And given the recent shifts over to the east, can't really rule out any more changes throughout the next couple days. So anyways, looking at Western Pacific, nothing is active right now. So apart from that, it's really